We are interrupting your programs for a public service announcement. This is a public service message from the National Homeland Security Agency to anyone currently present in Namaria. This message tells you that the Hylian state of Namaria has just moved to Alert 5 on the terrorist scale, and therefore the following procedures must be applied. A curfew is established from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. and will be effective from tomorrow 10 p.m. The use of lethal weapons against any hostile and armed person is authorized. Traffic on country roads is prohibited from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Traffic on the roads of Namaria and the North Coast is strongly discouraged due to the presence of hostile and armed pro-independence supporters. All Namarian national parks are now closed. Non-essential shops are closed from 6 p.m. to 8 a.m. The Air Force is authorized to patrol at night in the sky of all Namaria and to open fire on any proven terrorist. All foreign nationals must leave the state. Your security is no longer assured in Namaria. Evacuation buses will begin to leave the state from tomorrow 6 a.m. escorted by the gendarmerie until Nordacosta. Non-ethnic Namarian citizens are advised to leave the state. Acts of anti-Hylian violence have increased tenfold since June 5. Some can go to murder by cannibalism. Safety rules. Avoid unnecessary travel. Check that your home is locked every 12 hours. Close all your shutters at night. Tell 17 if you notice anything strange. We thank you for your attention. May the spirit of the founder protect you.